Hello, today I will be unboxing Orange Caramel's Bangkok City. So this is a single album and I've bought it for 20 pesos also, like the previous Orange Caramel series that I bought. I think the price was originally 400 pesos, which is around 8 US dollars. I'm not sure because I can't find the original price in the plastic. Okay, so this would be the front cover of the album. I really like it because it's in portrait mode, so it's pretty unconventional, and the spine of the jewel case is here, so you know it's not conventional. So yeah, first I'll show you the sides. So this would be the top and the bottom, and the side will show you there. As you can see, it's kind of blurred. It's supposed to be like that because, and this is the spine. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that because it it kind of reflects, because they're having a disco concept in this one. Yeah, so time to open the CD. So I think this is upright, but you can turn it around like so if you want. And the back cover of the lyric book is also in portrait mode. So if let's zoom out a bit so I can show you the whole of the CD. Okay, I'll put it in the right side up just so you can have a better look. So yeah, I really like the pink clouds, because who doesn't? A lot of people take pictures with the sunset, and then at the back it's just regular blue sky. So if we take this out, I'm gonna move this here. So yeah, you would have the lyric book like so. So yeah, it's really just shiny, and you'd first think that it's just my light reflecting the letters, but it's not really the case. So this is Raina, and her message would go like so. As you can see here, Raina. And then this is Nana's message. See, Nana. So if I'll show you her photo, should look fabulous as ever. And then Lizzie. And then her message would go. And then these are the lyrics for Bangkok City. Can't get it right. So sorry. It's really just, there we go. So apparently it's color coded. And I'm sorry for the dogs outside. They're not my dogs. Okay, so coming out would have you. And then these are just selkas of the girls. So, okay, I'll give you a closer look. Kind of a behind the scenes thing. And this would be a regular photo of them without the special edit effects. So, and these are the credits. And then the back cover. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.